Whether you've got questions or you've got exams, we've got tutors. Presenting the Academic Support and Access Center Peer Tutoring Schedule and Information for Fall 2018. My name is Nicole Canizero, and I manage ASAC Peer Tutoring here at American University. I'm excited to tell you everything about peer tutoring services this fall. But first, let's answer an important yet necessary first question. Why peer tutoring? Peer tutoring offers the chance to improve your performance in a class or on a specific topic, to gain clarity on a tough topic, to learn or even improve on important academic strategies like note-taking, critical reading, exam prep, and more. And peer tutoring also allows you the chance to ask questions to and get answers from someone who has been through it before. In addition to the Math Stats Lab, the Writing Center, and language coaching through CLEAR, we offer peer tutoring through the Tutoring Lab and the Tutor Request System. The Tutoring Lab houses free one-on-one and group peer tutoring for a variety of 100 through 300 level courses. We operate in 3 spaces around campus, so when you go to check schedules at WC Online, you will want to make sure you check the schedules for each location. If you check the schedule and you don't see courses that you're looking to be tutored in, you might consider submitting a tutor request. Here you see the Tutoring Lab one-to-one appointment schedule. Here you see the Tutoring Lab one-to-one appointment schedule for this fall. We provide tutoring in a variety of accounting, biology, chemistry, computer science, economics, finance, government, psychology, and School of International Service undergrad courses. We also provide peer tutoring for academic skills such as goal setting and motivation, time management, critical reading, and more. You can view schedules and make appointments at american.mywconline.net. This is the Tutoring Lab drop-in schedule for this fall. Please note, all drop-in occurs in Anderson, first floor conference room. No appointment is necessary. On Wednesdays, we offer tutoring from 7 to 9 p.m. in a variety of economics courses, and on Thursdays from 6 to 9 p.m. in a variety of chemistry courses. If you don't see what you need, you should submit a request. On our website, elect Academic Support Resources, then select Peer Tutoring. For classes not supported in the lab, you can submit a request. What that means is that we either look over our list of tutors to pair you with somebody who can tutor in that course, or we recruit another tutor. If you have questions, you want to learn more, or maybe even you want to apply to tutor with us, you should visit us online at www.american.edu/provost/academic-access/ or email us at tutoring@american.edu. Of course, you are always welcome to come visit us in Mary Graydon Center, 243. We look forward to seeing you soon. Happy tutoring!